In this video, I want to show you how to calculate Normalized Difference Vegetation Index in SAGA GIS. The NDVI, which is Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, is a key remote sensing metric used to quantify vegetation health and density, and it is calculated from the visible and near infrared light reflected by plants. It distinguishes vibrant vegetation from other land cover types. So let's get started. Let me open SAGA GIS. The first thing is to bring in the bands of the satellite image we want to use. In this exercise, we are using Landsat 8. And to bring in our bands, I'll click on File, come to Open. Then navigate to your folder where you have the file. So in Landsat 8, we'll be using band 4 and 5. So I'll select band 4 and band 5 and click on Open. Yes, the two bands has been brought in. The next thing to do after bringing in the bands is to go to geoprocessing, then come to imagery, and come to spectral indices, then come to vegetation index, the last options. Click on it. This will open the vegetation index page. Here, the first thing is to set the grid system. Click here and set the grid system. Then here you have to select your red reflectance. The red reflectance is band 4. So in Landsat 8, the red reflectance is band 4. So I'll select band 4. Then the near infrared reflectance is band 5. I'll click here and select band 5. Then I'll have to choose the index or vegetation index I want to calculate. In this exercise, I'm looking at Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. So I'll have to set it. I'll click here and set it. So to set it, I'll select Create. So after that, I will click on OK. So this will run and calculate or create the Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. So it has been done and you can see it here. Now to view it, double click it and you can see it here. So this is the Normalized Vegetation Index of this area. You can see it here. In essence, this is how to calculate the Normalized Vegetation Index in SAGA GIS. Thank you for watching.